Thank you. I thank the Honourable Member for that question, particularly Honourable Tuisawau. So we have projects, as I've explained, are all aligned with the Water Sector Strategy 2050 plan, which is now a national commitment to SDG number 6 for water and sanitation. The coalition government has not forgotten the Northern Division. Understanding the ongoing development in the North, the government is committed to ensuring that the needs of all rural grassroots communities on the mainland and also those smaller neighboring maritime islands are catered for, and including upcoming planned business developments, residents and visitors to the North have access to reliable water supply. It has been identified that an investment of approximately $218 million is required for the next 3 decades to upgrade and build new water projects to meet the growing demand and improve the reliability of water supply in the Northern Division. As part of this commitment, the coalition government has already begun executing several key water extension projects. Some, of course, ongoing from the last government. As a government, we continue. The major extension projects, Dangau Mains Extension Project, Sianganga, $0.56 million. This extension project covers 3.4 kilometer pipeline that shall benefit close to 50 households. Nambe Kabu to Ndonguru Mains Extension Project, Lambasa 8.8 million to cover 2.6 kilometer pipeline that will benefit approximately 30 households. And rural water supply projects, Kumbalau Combined Scheme Project, $2.4 million. This rural extension project covers 26 kilometers pipeline, which is nearing completion. It will benefit close to 220 households. Delaibuna Combined Scheme in Tavuni, $0.9 million. Is now in the initial stage and will involve 7 kilometers of pipe laying to benefit close to 480 households. The major upgrading projects that will eventually lead to new water connections, Benau to Walanau Bulk Mains Upgrading Project, $16 million. This project is in line with the planned 30 MLD water treatment plant and the new Matani water source intake, which will increase the storage capacity at the Walanau Reservoir. This upgrade will allow for future network extensions towards the outskirts of Lambasa, including Boumbale and Malau. The project is currently in its initial stages with procurement, ground mobilization, and environmental compliance to be fully completed. Close to 600 households is envisaged to benefit. The Benau to Rara Reservoir Bulk Mains Upgrade Project, $6.14 million. It forms the first phase of the Tambia Mains Extension Project aimed at providing a feed supply from the Rara Reservoir. Procurement, ground mobilization, and environmental compliance have commenced, and it is part of a package project that includes the Benau to Walanau Bulk Mains Upgrade Project to benefit close to 300 households. Mr. Speaker, sir, these ongoing projects collectively represent a significant investment of $27 million in the Northern Division. This will benefit thousands of households, improve water quality, reliability, and address the challenges of aging infrastructure and water scarcity in the Northern region. So in terms of future projects, the Tambia Mains Extension Project Phase 2, this will continue the first phase currently underway, extending the water supply to the Tambia community. The project involves laying 25 kilometers of new pipelines, construction of a pump station, and installing a 2 MLD reservoir. Number 1, water supply system expansion. The package plant, 2 MLD package plant, and 1 MLD reservoir has been completed and will extend the water supply network to the outskirts of Number 1. Navangingi water supply system extension, a new 5 MLD storage reservoir will be installed at an improved elevation at Navangingi to support further network extension following the commission of the new 5 MLD water treatment plant. Sanganga water supply system expansion, a new water treatment plant and upgraded 2 MLD storage reservoir will be constructed to support network extension along the Nanduri Road and Nani Wunda village once the new Nalilianga water source is secured. Nasasa water source development. So WEF is securing a new water source at Nasasa to supplement the water supply at Tanganikula and Wainikola systems, which will also support future extension. Wainivasa water source development in Tawini that is currently being explored in terms of the potential of the Wainivasa source to facilitate network extension in South Tawini. Through these investments in new infrastructure and this expansion of the water supply network, sir, the Ministry through WEF aims to meet the growing needs of the Northern Division's population and support sustainable development in the region. It is the coalition government's policy commitment that Fiji's water resources are managed, maintained and protected to provide equitable and secure access to water for beneficial users for all sectors of the Fijian economy and support sustainable development, uplift of rural and grassroots communities, sir. And of course also extending sanitation services where these are viable and for reliability and affordability for all Fijians. Thank you.